Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove your Cash App account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you've not already. So if you've not already opened it up, you want to go ahead and install it from the App Store. If you don't have it, go to your App Store on your mobile phone, open up the search bar, and in the search bar, search for Cash App. So once you find the Cash App application, go ahead and install it, and now we can get started opening it up. And by opening it up, you can log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer, and now we can get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started removing our account. So once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can take a look at our cash balance. We have our savings options and all the other options that we can access. So what are we looking for guys? To remove your account, all we have to do is go right here into the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you can click on your profile icon. So click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Once you click on the profile icon, it's going to open up the new settings tab. In the settings tab, you'll be able to find all the settings options that you can access for a profile. If you scroll down all the way under guys, there is going to be an option that says to manage your account. So open up your account settings, and in the account settings guys options, there is going to be a button that says delete accounts. If you want to remove your account, you can delete your account from there. So go ahead and delete your account, and once you delete it successfully, follow the steps that are going to be given to you, delete it, and after that guys, your account is going to be removed, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.